Hey y'all, it's just Simone, lips popping, skin glowing, energy flowing, and I'm back with another video. You know, running it back. I didn't really know what to do, but now I figured it out because as you see, my hair is freshly washed and sectioned off. Like I tell y'all, sections, natural sections. Okay, sections is good. But I'm just gonna be doing some flat twists today. I was gonna do a how to braid today, but stop looking off and stuff. I'm just like, I'm so conflicted. I was just like, no, I think I'll do that another day. And if y'all do want to see that, let me know. I'll do it sooner. Because I have another video I'm playing, but everything don't go as planned all the time. So, and I'm in transitioning from like classes ending and studying for finals. So, I'm just not really thinking about too much of what to do. Trying to do something that's nice and chill so I can be out of my hair for the week. And yeah, so that's what I got going on today. I'm gonna be doing the flat twist, and I'm gonna just take you along with me. But let me show y'all what's in my hair. That's right now I have this Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner in my hair. If you guys remember from the Ulta Beauty X curl box video, what was that video? I think I did like a style in that video, but yeah. This is from the box, so I still got that, and I used that today, and it's really good. You see, it's good, moisturized. Y'all can't feel that stuff, but if you can feel, it's like, yes, it's good. And then I have this twisting set by Taraji P. Henson. I might use this, only because this one is very strong, and it doesn't like to use other things with it. Like, I see it kind of, yeah. But I'm still going to try a little bit in the back and see what happens. If it seems nice, I'm going to leave it. But this is really good too as well. Like I said, I had some more Taraji stuff. Then I have a gel of hers too that I might use eventually. But yeah, I'm gonna do a wash and go. But I was like, a wash and go is just gonna take it's just gonna be like, it's gonna be nice and stuff. But it's late, and then too, it's just not gonna last that long. Like, I don't know, it might last that long. But then again, also kind of want my hair on my face. So that's what I'm doing this too. It's like, I don't know. I just want something that I feel like, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just like, let me try to do something else. Especially after that band tune out. I don't know after the band tune out one. Because that was so cute. I mean, like, like that was so cute. Like, how do you do that one? I think I might do like some flexi rods or like a perm rod eventually. But that's not happening until till I get some more perm rods there. And that's why I was saying everything didn't go as planned, because that's what I was gonna do today actually. Yeah, and I still be want to do some weave styles too, but I do not like weave all the time no more, no cap. And now I don't like it in my hair. It's not that I could care less about it being in my hair. Like, I don't mind a little added hair. If you know me, I've always like I had a whole summer and like I always do that. I always do my style, I like box braids and stuff. It's just the take down process. Like, the put in is kind of fine, but that take down is just like, no. So I don't be feeling like doing all that. But I might do that. And it's more, I do like to do that more in the summertime. And I'm not parting with the comb because I don't want no defined parts, because this is going to be a twist out eventually. Which I think I might show y'all too. I think I'm going to show y'all the take down. So I'm going to put it in and then show y'all the take down a couple days later or whatever. Let me get my clip. So yeah, y'all gonna go on the style journey with me. I think that's what I'm gonna do for this video, because I really don't know. Y'all might not even see this video. If you're seeing this, hey. If you're not, I don't have nothing to say. But I think I will share this video. I just don't know. I'm gonna post a snippet and ask y'all, do y'all want it? And if y'all want it, then yeah. Because I told you, I have other videos in mind, but I just didn't do it yet. And I always like to try to record something. But I like to give y'all quality, so it's like, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to give y'all quality. But I also like to give y'all in my life, because I know how I am watching YouTube videos. Like, I like to, I know when I watch other people's YouTube videos, if I just like them, I just watch, like, whatever. And not whatever, but, kind of whatever it is. I just like seeing them. Some people come to see the YouTuber, some people come to see, content. and I'm just, you know, figuring it out. But I don't know, I mean, yeah, I like to see the content. I mean, I like to see the creator sometimes, depending on who it is. But yeah, okay. See, curls popping, curls popping, curls popping. Let me see. Yeah. Ooh, and it smells good. Another thing too, product. I don't know. It smells good, but I don't know. It's giving me like perfume. So I'm kind of nervous, but it's like I told you, I've used this before, so I know it's fine. But yeah, it's like a perfume smell. It's like a light. I can't. Yeah, I don't know. It's like a real like grown. I don't know why we be calling stuff grown. Like that's not a smell, but I don't know. It's giving grow. It just gives, I don't know, strong. Definitely strong. I just can't describe it. It's a nice fragrance though. I don't feel like it's some fancy perfume. Okay, definitely give it expensive material, girl. It's smelling like it's some perfume on my head. It definitely does. Which I don't mind. I do like products that got a nice little, you know, little smell, a little something different. Oh yeah. Hopefully y'all can see. I'm trying to, you know, I'm a one-woman band over here. Gotta be right to it. Did you see on my two pieces? I twisted the right over to the left. You know what? I might cut this out. So hold on. All right. Put the right and the left, my fingers. Okay, so the inches. Hopefully, yeah, I saw that. Oh, that's so cute. Running through. Oh, running through. All right, I'm back. Not to close out the video, because like I said, I'm gonna show y'all the end results, but to close it out for today, just wanted to show y'all how I'm using some wild growth hair oil. I said wild hair, but yeah, wild growth hair oil. If you don't know, now you know. This is like classic. This has been around for years. I've used this for years. I found it at my local beauty supply store. I'm sure you can find it there too, at yours. So yeah. And one second, cause I feel like my camera is A little greasy for my hair products. This is about as good as gonna get. Yeah, just gonna oil my scalp for a second on the camera. Hope y'all liked it. Again, as y'all see, whoop whoop. And yeah, it's a little product out. I told y'all, remember my hair used to be low porosity, actually high porosity. So now that it's like normal, it'd be like, I'll be working on it sometimes. Some pieces, you see. But it's not too bad because again, it's a moisturizing product. And it's gonna soak in. And I'm keeping it for days, so we're just gonna take it. Only thing about this, it just takes longer for it to dry because, you know, it's on the outside. And then it could weigh my hair down. But since it's not too much, it's not. But if I like low porosity, it would weigh my hair down. But like I said, I got normal, you know. Water goes in pretty good, stays in pretty well, everything stays in pretty well. Just a little out, because, you know, also when I twist it too, just like, it's going to come out. Unless I use like a little bit like this. But not too much of my hair. But anyway, I be talking too much, trying to show you stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna zap, right in them parts. Oh, we gotta be careful because that oil be falling down on my face. Because I do not be caring. See that? I just be putting it on. I just dap. I be trying to be careful. Alright. But yeah, let me move faster. Okay. Alright. And yeah, like I said, we are all done rubbing it in my scalp. I kind of like to let it sit. I don't like to really touch it myself, but I just touch it so it don't fall down too far down my body. Alright. Moisturizing my scalp, not my body. At least not this. Alright. Yes, that's the end of this clip of the video, end of this day. Today is Sunday, December 12th. I don't know when I'll be back, but when I'm back, I'll be back to close up the video for real, and take down my hair and stuff. So, see you guys in the next clip. See you guys later. Bye. Hey, y'all, and I'm back. Now, this is like 2 days later. Yeah, I think I did that Sunday. Yes, I did Sunday. Okay, today's Tuesday. Okay, so 2 days later, I am back. I'm gonna take out my flat twist now. As you see, they got a little shape to them. I don't wear a hat, scarf, bonnet, you know, the usual. And I just want to show you, I'm gonna start doing it in, like, you know, my videos in the beginning and stuff. But I was thinking about it. Why not throw it in here now? The lip gloss of the day. So in this section today, I have on Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb Cream, and in the shade Fenty Glow. So yeah, so stay tuned for that and be expecting that when I do my videos. But let's get into taking down these twists. I have things to do, places to be, people to see. Oh, and the oil I'm using is this Wild Growth Hair Oil. I don't know if I told y'all earlier. I think I did. Yeah, same thing, I moisturized my scalp earlier in the video. I'm gonna use to take it out. You can use any oil, take it out. You want to have some oil so it can be nice and moisturized and have a good slip, you know. So I just like to coat the twist, and I usually start from the back, but I'm gonna just do it in the front so y'all can see, and then I get to the back as I, you know, speed through it. But I just like to coat it like this first. Do a little coil around the finger to make sure it's really nice. And then I just want to untangle it the same way that you put it in. So, you know, don't try to go against it too much because then you'll mess up the curl. And the good thing with twist is that you kind of give it a little pull on the strand because it's just going to unravel. Pull one. And again, when you get to the top, gentle. You don't want to mess up the curls. Because, you know, aggressive would be like pulling through. You don't want to just like, like you're going to mess it up and it's going to be all frizzy. And it's going to be like, what? Waste of time. You know, just kind of let it fall to where it wants to fall. Don't do too much. And there we go. And see? There we go. Simple, easy, quick, what? Nothing to it. Right, now just hook that one down. I'm going to take the rest of them out, separate it, fluff it, and I'll be back with the finished results. All right, I am back and my hair is done. As you see, I didn't go too crazy with my separating because I know it's gonna get bigger as the days go on. Oh, I just moved my tripod. Sorry for the switch, but yeah, it is so cute. I love it. I mean, I always love a twist out. Like a twist out is cute. Wanna get y'all a little close up, Y'all see it. I mean, y'all see it. So yeah, I'm not gonna touch it too much. Another thing, like I said, natural hair tip: stay out your hair. Do not touch your hair too much. You touch a bunch of things. You know, hair is fragile, especially hair that is tighter, especially coils and curls. They're tighter, fragile. Just let it be. It's never gonna be perfect. You know what I'm saying? It's, if you know what I'm saying, it might be like, well, that's perfect. Take it. Just take it, okay? Because you keep moving it. It ain't been nothing. Like, you're doing that? No, I'm just like shaking it around. I'm shaking it, showing y'all. You know. But yeah, it is so cute. Let me twist out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you try it. Tag me on Instagram, Simone 2_. And yeah, I'll be on TikTok too, Simone 2_. Tag me, message me, or you want to message me, hit me up. And let me know how you feel. Let me know if you did it. Thank you for tuning in to the realest. I'm a vibe. If you want to vibe, subscribe.